Welcome back. Now today is a very important chapter. Till now we have learned words, grammar, rules. But let me ask you something. Do you still feel stuck while speaking? That's because knowing English and using English are two different things. Today we fix that. The real problem. Most learners think I don't know enough vocabulary. But that's not the real problem. You know words, you know grammar, but when it's time to speak, you freeze. Why? Because you don't know how to form sentences in real time. That's what we are solving today. What is a sentence? Real concept. A sentence is not just words, it is a complete thought. Example, I'm tired. This is complete, but tired, not complete. So, always remember English is complete thought, not random words. Basic sentence formula. Now let's simplify everything. Every sentence follows a base structure. Subject plus verb plus object. Example, I eat food. This is the foundation. No matter how advanced you become, everything starts here. Expanding a sentence, now let's upgrade. Basic, I eat. Now expand. I eat healthy food every day. Now you have added detail, clarity, meaning. This is how your English grows. Adding details. Now we go deeper. You can add time, place, reason. Example, I eat healthy food every day because I want to stay fit. Now your sentence feels complete, meaningful, natural. Sentence flow. Now listen to this. I eat, I go gym, I sleep. Sounds robotic, right? Now I eat, go to the gym, and then sleep. Now it feels like real English. Flow is everything. Thought, sentence process. Now, the most important concept, how does English happen in your brain? Step 1, you have a thought. Step 2, your brain finds structure. Step 3, you speak. So English is not words, it is organized thinking. If your thinking is clear, your speaking becomes clear. Avoid translation. Now, let's fix a big problem. Translation. If you think in one language and convert into English, you slow down. Instead, think directly in English. Start small. I'm hungry. I need water. Train your brain step by step. Sentence pattern. Now, let's see patterns. Statement. I go to school. Question. Do you go to school? Negative. I do not go to school. Same idea, different structure. This is how communication works. Real conversation. Now, real life English. Keep it simple, clear, natural. Example, I think it's a good idea. I don't feel comfortable. You don't need complex words, you need clear expression. Common mistakes. Let's fix real problems. Mistake 1, broken sentences. I going market. Mistake 2, missing verb. Mistake 3, wrong order. These mistakes make your English sound incomplete. Real upgrade. Now let's upgrade. I tired. I am tired. I really tired today. See the difference. This is how fluency grows. Practice. Now your turn. I happy. I am happy. I go market. I go to the market. I like food. Expand it. Practice like this daily. This is how you improve. Conclusion. Let's bring everything together. A sentence is structure plus meaning. Fluency is clear thinking plus smooth expression. And remember this, don't speak words, speak complete thoughts. From today, start forming sentences consciously and your English will change.